see Patches. Meow. Wait, you say my Patches? My little Patch, he sees something. What do you say? Meow, meow. My Patches, what's up, booty boo? You see some prey? You talking to some prey? Meow. There's the mama cat. Mama tigress. The marmalade pussycat. Mama. They see pigeons or something over there. Now she's meowing. Boy, they just have such high hopes. I think they wanna catch a pigeon. Look. They do that to the birds. They meow. Vibrato meow. Is that the birds? I don't know if they're saying hello, being friendly, or they're just trying to lure them over here. They're inside a cage. The pussycat's in the gilded cage. And, shall I say the, not gilded cage, the Galvo cage. Galvanized wire. Alright. Here we go again. Any meows, ladies? Mother and daughter. See him? Looking up. The birds just flew up on the roof. Alright.